Hello, sir.
Hi sir,
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I'm also fine. Sir, would you like to tell me that how to remove pollution?
It means how we can remove pollution.
Yes,
so
sir.
okay, I tell you. If there are four type of pollution. First is air, and second is water, and third is noise, and fourth is sound. First of all, I want to tell you something about air pollution. It means where from we get is smoke and this type of things we get, that is called air pollution. And second is noise pollution, by which we get by other persons. Means if we are going anywhere and we are seeing something, and second person we feel something, and then it means that is very bad. And third is water pollution, when if we want to take a bath, so we don't think about the water, and we always like as it means we are wasting water. It goes in round, and then after there we get very bad smell, and then we get many very bad thing, and then we get water
Okay,
pollution.
so would you like to tell me that in this era, every person don't think that if we are throwing garbage, so we should throw on kudedan.
It means only one thing.
Yes,
Where
we can throw, but mostly people are throwing in a gutter. They
Yeah.
people don't think that what will happen, and mosquito will be both, and
Okay.
we will ill. And you know that rivers and many things, they are water.
Yeah.
So we should have, mostly people don't think that by which we can get, you know, that a country, I don't know that about that country, their people use means through the toilet, and then we a machine here.
Yes.
Sorry, they people that machine convert and a good water, means he filtered a water, then they people take.
So,
We should
First
think.
of all, listen me. After that, you can speak. First of all, ever did you see means in a person front of means garbage?
Yes, sir.
There is many. You will get very much mosquitoes because
Yes.
of there is very bad thing. That's why they get mosquitoes, and
Yes, sir.
they don't know that where what it will give us. They you know the means of disease means comes by mosquitoes,
Yes,
which is very bad.
mosquito is a big thing.
Yes.
That mean, according to me, every water pollution is a big thing, and
And also,
other pollution.
out of mosquito there are also many things. Means if we throat grow, then we don't think that what will happen by it, and we also means face many things like
Yes.
as garbage and polythene.
Yes.
There are many things where we face those things.
And you know that if we are want to do something, means good,
Yeah.
so we should throw the garbage a limit place, means that hole we can throw in a hole, and by which we can get many type of many gases by that garbage, you know, nitrogen, also many gases we can make. So
But,
we should think.
you know, by that oxygens what we get very bad air. Means smell pollution, that is
Yes.
also like as when we smell bad things, we get cold.
Yes.
It is a very big thing. When we get cold, then you can understand that I did something mistake.
Yes.
So if you are getting cold, then you can understand what I did before 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour.
So-
Then you can came to know that what is means of cold. Why I came to why cold came to me. So then you can understand.
So in this time.
Okay, sir, first of all, if you want to finish that, then you will have to take means hot water. Which that is not hot water, that is parboiled water. So
Yes.
then you can get very easily your cold.
Yeah, and you know that in the about if I talk about environment, so environment also disease. Make disease, because we all are not controlling in pollution. Actually, we cannot control, we cannot remove properly pollution, but limit we can control, because if we control it, so it will be good for us, because you know that cars and many vehicles, by many vehicles pollution are increasing. So first we should think, and you know that if we want to control, how we can control, according to me, that we, you know that in this era electricity vehicles are coming, so we should follow, means we should drive rights and these type of vehicle, so by which we can control. But
So,
mostly
would you like to tell me that means where we are going by vehicles, so why we don't go by means electric vehicles? You know, means how bike gives us very bad pollution. That
Yes.
is where from smoke comes, then we get very bad things. So which is very good, which is very bad. So how we can remove it?
yes, if we want to, what were you saying again?
Means if we are going anywhere by vehicle, our means that is bike and car and
Yes.
means anything, and we give other person smoke, means which is very bad. So how we can remove it?
Actually, we should make understand to him that please, you know that what's going on in this era, means what will be effect on environment. So we should follow, means we should use the electricity vehicle, so by which we can follow. And you know that many factories, companies are throwing pollution, means smoke, and also you know that you know, I saw like Ananda factory also at your Shana. So they people their employee, they people don't think that we should throw the garbage on his dustbin, in dustbin. So why, you know that if we are throwing in a gutter, so means many gases will be increased, and by these type of gases we can die, means many gases are very harmful.
Okay, as you said, we can understand other person while riding bike.
Yes.
Driving car. So can you tell me how we can make understand other person if we are going by our vehicle? So how we can understand other person if we are, means he will not said, ever did you say to other person that in your bike there is very smoke? So
Yes.
ever did you say to him?
Yes.
So did you see what was his answer?
He will first he will if you know that if I say to educated person, so according to me he will think that I should repair it, and I should if I don't repair it, so then I will purchase a new electricity vehicle.
I can understand, but means there are only 20% person who can make understand us.
Yes.
But 80% like as we say to him, he will not make understand us.
Yes.
He will say, who are you to saying me?
Yes.
I will not do. I will also.
But you know that your responsibility only say that you should not do, and if he and she does not think that what will effect on pollution, so after 5 year 10 year he also think that what did you know that if you are I saw many people, they people don't think that pollution are increasing, and we should not we should repair our vehicle. So they people उनके घर
on them's house.
on them's house, people will go in a disease, because they people actually when we start bike and cars, so we also think that what will happen means their environment will go in a disease, means many like this gases even like this gases will be harmful for us.
Means I know very well it will harmful for us. So how we can make other understand other person if
It is your responsibility.
Okay, I give you question that if we throw garbage front of our house front
Yes.
of our house, means no one will come to destroy it. Means we will have to do But why we don't on that time when we thrown means that time we don't why we don't throw that why we don't think that now I should means I should go out of this. So why we don't think about this?
Actually, it's a people. Yeah, mostly people think lazy. Mean they people think only I'm throwing in front of my house.
Yeah.
Then a person come to us and who will who will carry.
goes by it.
Yes, and also I saw many people when a person throwing a garbage in front of their house. So second person come to us and said that why are you throwing?
After the fight,
Then fight
of course,
will be fight. So you know how this how many things we can save means fight will never go. And second
And also, disease will not come.
will not go,
And,
and we will think that fresh environment.
Yeah.
So it should be that we should control pollution.
But they people don't understand us that what we are saying. They always say that who are you to saying me? It's a them questions.
Actually,
They will
yeah,
say,
you know,
who are you to saying me?
after 1 month, after 5 months, after 1 year, when they people will go in disease. So they people think that we should not go. Actually, by disease, by dirty garbage, by dirty water, when mosquitoes birth. So they people when mosquitoes cut their body. So they people think that we all are sick. And you know that if a person throwing a garbage in front of their house, so this will be defect. This will be defect on other people.
Listen me, and now time it is going. Means if mosquito eats, means it stings him. So what he will do? He will die. Will make him die. So what after that we means mosquito will also come. So how where from we will kill them?
So we should only this is a manner of remove pollution, because you know that garbage and dirty water, this type of thing is a harmful for us. But you know every person will go in disease due to a person who is doing bad work, who is throwing a water, who is throwing a dirty water in front of house, a person throwing garbage in front of home. So he will say that who are you? I'm throwing garbage in front of my house. Who are you? You can't say.
It is a question. He will say you who are you to?
Yes.
Means,
So, but you know, in a conflict, okay.
I give
Listen.
you one question. So, means,
First, let me complete. You can ask again question.
Okay.
You know that in a constitution says that we can like we are religion. We announce our religion, so we can religion. Don't worry. But if we are announcing that religion is not good, so it will be means you will have to punish. You will be punished. Like you can do everything, but nobody will not sick of your work. It is that means if you are doing any type of work, so only nobody will not think that what type of work you are doing, it will not affect on us.
But it doesn't matter as we have talked to pollution. So means next is sound and means sound pollution. So would you like to tell me something about this?
What?
Sound pollution.
Actually,
Means,
sound
by means we get by means sounds like as DJs and
Yes.
like
Yeah,
these
by
things. So
sound-
what do you want to say about this?
By sound pollution, we go in we will
We will get very things like as okay. I give you answer. Means we are going anywhere. Means there DJ is going on there. So by that thing, you know what we get? We get very much thing like as if we went on front of DJ, it gives us means many things like means bass, which is very bad. When we stand front of DJ, then means it connects our heart.
Yes.
Then our heart